another boat, like a motor boat. Dev, give your introduction.
Hi friends. My name is Devya Dwivedi. I live in Jhansi. I study one. Okay. Now sit down. You can sit down. Sit down. See. For this you need a square paper like this. Square. Fold it into diagonal. Only in diagonal. Okay. Then you have this line. Then fold it again in diagonal. You have something like this. Now from this point to this point, this point to this point, this point to this point, we have a center point. From each point to center point we have to touch the points. Okay, plus sign we have it here, addition sign. Now I am folding at your convenience. Make it good crease because we need a good boat. Good crease. Then again here, from here. From here. Okay. You can see. We have this. Now from here to here, we have to make a smaller square. Okay. Smaller square we have to make. Then like this we have a smaller square. Okay. Now from this point to this point, this point to this point. Okay. Like this. Hold it like this. Then opening this you have to hold it like here. Okay. Now from this point to this point you have to hold it like this. See, you can see in the camera. Okay. Now back side, at the back side you will see something like this. Then fold it into half, again into half like this. Then this point to this point, this point to this point. Okay. And this point to this point. Okay. Now we will have something like this. See, you can see we are having something like this. Okay. Now fold this line to this. Okay, like this. This line to here. And this line to here and here. See, we have a hexagon. Okay. You can see very good. Now from this line to here, like this. So, like this. From each side you have to do like this only. Okay. Now like this. Okay. Now from here also. This is the second harder step. The harder step I will show you. You will not do it. You cannot do it because that is too harder. But you can do it. See, like this you have. I have to do something. I am coming. Hello friends. Hi friends. I am Devya. Sorry. See, we have something like this. Then this point to this point. In this point the like point. Now this point to this point. Okay. Then open this like this. Just open it. Then you will have something like this. Then by this point you have to like this. From top to bottom. Like this. Then you have something. You will have something like this. Then this like this. Then open this like this. You will have your boat. You will have your boat. Your own origami boat. See? Your own origami boat. See, it also sail in the water. That ordinary boat and this good boat. Which is the good boat? This? Okay.